got you, you got me. I got you, you got me too. I got you, you got me. I got you, we're a team. Birds of the same feather, we fly together. Make it through that weather, it gon' get better. Nothing great was achieved overnight. You're gonna need a good team just to do it right. You wanna build the city, go and get some help. I can't do this thing all by myself. Some plans gonna need a helping hand. It's just too much sand for a single man. And don't worry man, we're gonna get it done. Cause we know we can, and we still have fun. Cause we're a team, we aspire. Just like our dreams, we aim higher. Together we aspire. Together we achieve. Together we'll make it. If we do it as a team, do it as a team. Together we aspire. Together we achieve. Together we'll make it. If we always believe. They say two heads is better than one. If we do this together, we're gonna get it done. Yeah, teamwork, no I in team. It's a group effort if you know what I mean. Yeah, and we're ready, all hands on deck. We finished one project and we ready for the next. Yeah, cause if I make it, you make it too. Must give credit where credit is due. Do our parts, reach new heights. Go so far that you're way out of sight. Helping hand makes heavyweights light. When we work together, we shine so bright. Together we aspire. Together we achieve. Together we'll make it. If we do it as a team, do it as a team. Together we aspire. Together we achieve. Together we'll make it. If we always believe. I got you, you got me. I got you, you got me. I got you, you got me. I got you, we're a team. I got you, you got me. I got you, you got me. I got you, you got me. I got you, we're a team. I got you, you got me. I got you, you got me too. I got you, you got me. I got you, we're a team. Birds of the same feather, we fly together. Make it through that weather, it gon' get better. Nothing great was achieved overnight. You're gonna need a good team just to do it right. You wanna build the city, go and get some help. I can't do this thing all by myself. Some plans gonna need a helping hand. It's just too much sand for a single man. And don't worry man, we're gonna get it done. Cause we know we can, and we still have fun. Cause we're a team.